going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you missed it last week, we actually kind of went over all the things that were broken or not working well on my car. Well, we attempted to fix this boost leak that's in the front, amongst other little problems here and there. So definitely go check that video out, because in that video I also mentioned something to do with a giveaway that I want to do. So there's going to be a red push stop button. There's going to be a oil filter removal tool, whatever it's called. And there's also going to be a Tunai Firefly Bluetooth wireless whatever for your car. And this giveaway is going to be, well, we're reaching 2,000, but at 5,000 subscribers I want to do this giveaway. Oh, also last video I wasn't able to fix the electrical issue that I was having with my battery, but if I remove this, I found like a C-clamp and I tightened this bolt with the C-clamp, and I have not had to charge the battery overnight. It's been a couple days now. I'm gonna see how it is in a week. That it already definitely is helping, so this seemed to have been my problem. Anyways, that was a recap of last video. We got some stuff to do in the engine bay from ECS Tuning, Mashimaro and Burger Motorsports, so let's get into the video. Product review, and it's right here. There's like a little hole, little orange. Holy shit! Alright, so let's start actually with opening up this from ECS Tuning. So I got my oil filter cap tool remover here. Hopefully that one works. I got the oil filter cap that I'm going to be upgrading it to. It's billet aluminum, very high quality. Both these so far are going to be in the comment section down below, in the description, whatever. Everything is nicely, oh, I even got a $100 wine voucher, nice, and stickers. I'm definitely going to have to put this on the car. Oh, and as you can see, I got my package finally from Avalon King, Your Vehicle, Your Passion. Very nicely packaged, everything. I got 2 kits here, so expect at least 3 videos here coming real soon. So guys, stay tuned for that, subscribe for that. I also got a Genie Color paint touch-up pen. Supposedly it's one of the best, and this is the color match of my car. So that and that is also coming very soon, so just stay tuned for that. Now let's head into the engine bay and let's get this video started. So all you're gonna really need is the oil filter tool from ECS, as well as a 1 1/16 size thing, whatever, and a 1/2 inch ratchet. Alright, so let's put the oil cap on here, and wow, that's tight. Wow, it comes off super easy. The engine's cold, so I don't expect the oil to really gush out, but I really need to change this filter. Okay. Very carefully, because this is gonna make a freaking mess. To get this cage inside here out, all we're gonna have to do is, well, take my new filter. So this is a MANN filter. Links down below, it's gonna be to Amazon. You put the new filter on super hard, and you're supposed to just shake it side to side, and it's supposed to come out. Whoa! Fuck. Alright, well, that came out. So now what we're gonna take the brand new ECS one. Very nice, beautiful quality, and it has the cage inside here, so this factory one could just go in there and kind of fit properly.
Meanwhile,
alright, so next up for the Burger Motorsports intake, all I gotta do is, because I have a Mega Racing strut bar, so to remove it up here, well, on this end over here, I need a 9/16 and a I think it's an 8mm hex bolt. Is it 8? Is it 8? Yeah, an 8mm hex bolt, and you just remove that. Then for the intake, all you're gonna need is a 6mm with a ratchet, and you're gonna remove this, and then there's some clips over here to remove. sensor here. That's out. The air box, obviously. Alright, with a T25, now we're just gonna remove this MAF sensor so we can swap it over. Now on the Burger Motorsports one, we're just gonna install this the same direction that the airflow is going, so this way. So just get that on there, like that. Alright, now all you gotta do is kind of put this thing back in here. Don't forget the MAF sensor, just literally snap it in there. These wires go under here. This needs to go back on there. So screw this back on with the 6mm. Alright, now that's installed, so just lower this back down and we're gonna have to screw this back in. So put the screw through it all and screw this back on. Just make it snug, don't make it too tight because this is aluminum, you don't want to strip it. Just snug enough and a little extra turn, and you know, it's not going anywhere. Now you might also want to remove these things here. Super easy to do. All you gotta do is angle them a certain way and push down. No!
A few moments later.
Well, I declare that lost because I literally can't find it now with the magnet, not with nothing. But anyways, the other three I have here, and I'm gonna tape these up and put them safe and sound with the original one. But anyways, this is the install for the Burger Motorsports intake. That's how you do it. Alright, so the next step is with this bird cage. You just take out this O-ring that's here, because you want to replace it with the new one that comes in the packaging here. So in here, it also comes with a car washer that's already in the car. I already changed my oil. So I'm just gonna take the new one out, put it on here, just like that. Now this we're supposed to put back in here. It's supposed to sit snug in the ECS one and be like tight and everything, but I don't know, I guess it's gonna be fine when I put the oil filter back on here. And last but not least, we're gonna take the new gasket here and put it over top of the ECS one and make sure it goes in the right groove right there, and then put some oil on this just so it's lubed up, and then we get to reinstalling this into the car. So continuing where we left off, this was the old rag. Just take up some of the old oil and, like I said, just put it along the side of the new ring that's going around here. Also, now this is going to be using a 19mm, so just put that in there. And that's it, you're done. Now you got yourself a really good looking ECS oil filter cap in your engine bay. Alright, so given the current situation of the whole virus thing, it's kind of delaying my videos, and I haven't gotten everything I needed to get in this video for my car. So like for instance, the cabin air filters from Burger Motorsports I wasn't able to get yet, but I mean, it's what it is. So we won't be installing that in this video, but I will be maybe installing a next video because I have other things that I'm expecting from him. But now we're headed off to actually see my buddy Pierrot. He has a detailing company that he does at his house. We're actually going to be working together in some upcoming videos because we need to detail the car and put ceramic coating for Avalon King.
2 hours later.
Alright, so just finished up with Pierrot. We got into talks of pretty much how we're going to go about the detail and the whole ceramic coating process. So that's cool. So expect a video on that. For today, that's pretty much all I have for you. Again, sorry, I got stuff coming in the mail, but they're not here yet, not everything. But yeah, so don't forget to sign up for the giveaway that I'm doing at 5,000 subscribers. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me also on my socials at dgens19 on Instagram, so that I could contact you if you win. furthermore, just that's about it. Hope you guys are keeping safe and you're staying inside and you're keeping busy, doing some chores or some upkeep of the house or even some mods to the car. So remember to drive you guys. I'll be catching you guys all in the next video. Peace.
Real shit, nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why